One good practice which opened up the Rajnivas to people of Puducherry is the open house for grievances redressal. We instituted this practice from the very first few days of functioning here. The open house meant that Rajnivas is open from Mondays to Wednesdays, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. religiously, for anyone to raise a grievance on a first-come, first-served basis. Each grievance received in open house, as well as from social media, emails, or even WhatsApp, is meticulously recorded and tracked for redressal. We have received so far a total of 31,000 petitions, comprising of 65,000 civic issues, 55,000 service matters, nearly 50,000 shop and organizational issues, 21,000 over encroachment matters, and other issues related to land disputes, family disputes, and more. Our approach is, why should people wait to be served? We must be impatient to serve them. The public response to open house has been overwhelmingly positive. I would dare say it is historical.